Okay, so I'm here at work. These beautiful homes. A big old tree. It's almost like I'm in the mountains in this neighborhood here. I'm tired. I have to do a lot of driving. So I take care of somebody here in this house here. Yeah. But that's what it looks like, you guys, in this neighborhood. It's quiet. The birds are singing. So, yeah. This is, Denver, they build places. Excuse me. They build places in deep mountains and make homes over here. So, yeah. That tree is big. Whoa. So I'm going to go in and take care of this beautiful lady. And then I go from here to another client. Most of my clients are older. And so I go to house to give their care. And so this year, I'm going to try to go places. I have things I want to do for entertainment for me and my son. Because I feel bad, you guys. He's not happy right now. He's still having problems with his right eye. So I want to go and do something for him. And go out and then just enjoy life while we're here. Because, yeah, I love the sound of birds. I try to be quiet because they sound so pretty. I like it. I love birds. Anyway, I love you guys. May Jesus be with you. Have a blessed day ahead of you. May God give you your blessings. He woke you up this morning, and then he's going to bless you financially. I know everybody's going through crisis, but God will bless you. Don't worry. Your money's coming your way. God bless you. I love you. May God be with you all. Be kind. Thank you.